Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Jira with GitHub, the full 2025 guide. And don't worry, I'll keep everything simple and step by step so you can follow along without any stress. All right, let's get into it. First, go ahead and sign in to your Jira account. If you're already logged in, just make sure you're in the project where you want the integration. Now, on the left sidebar, scroll down and click Project Settings. This is where Jira keeps most of the integration options, so just head there. Inside Project Settings, look for the section called Integrations. If you don't see it right away, it might be under Features or Apps depending on your Jira layout. Once you're inside the Integrations page, choose GitHub. You'll usually see GitHub for Jira as an option. Click it to start the setup. All right, now click Connect GitHub Account. A new window will pop up asking you to authorize Jira. Just sign in with your GitHub username and password, and then hit Authorize. It takes just a few seconds. After authorization, you'll see a list of your GitHub repositories. Pick the ones you want to connect. Jira will start syncing issues, branches, and pull requests right away. If you ever change your mind, you can edit the repo list later. Once everything is connected, go back to your Jira project and open any issue. You should now see a GitHub panel showing linked branches, commits, or pull requests. If nothing shows yet, give it a minute. The sync can be a little slow sometimes. And that's pretty much it. You've now integrated Jira with GitHub, and your workflow should be a whole lot smoother from here. If this guide helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.